first step I do with my routine is I wash my face with this Kale Detox Deep Cleaning Face Wash by Pacifica. I will have a coupon code down below if you guys would like to try it out. This video is not sponsored, and for those of you that have been on my channel for a while, you know how much I love this face wash. I have been using it for years. Back in the day when I first purchased it, I noticed a huge difference with my active acne. I normally also do this in the shower because it can get a little messy, so a little bit goes a long way. I do want to say that I finally made the investment and switched over from using my body towel with wiping my face to using soft washcloths. So I purchased about 12 of these from Amazon. They have been a huge game changer with not stripping my skin. My body towels are very rough, and they do cause a mild exfoliation when I rub my face with them, and of course the bacteria and all that stuff from wiping your body down. So I just switched over to these soft washcloths, and I've seen a huge difference in my skin not being dry anymore. So when it comes to my moisturizer, this is something new that I learned over the summer. My skin doesn't like heavy moisturizers or heavy creams in general. My skin prefers lightweight moisturizers, lotions, and a little bit goes a long way. So another thing that I learned from a dermatologist online is put your moisturizer on while your skin is damp. So that causes the moisturizer to kind of like suck in the wetness from the water. I don't know the scientific method of it, but it works so well for my skin, and it also helps with making this product last longer, so I'm able to just transfer whatever's on my hands down to my neck and my chest area without adding an additional pump. So it definitely helps me save money, and it makes my skin super soft without feeling greasy, which causes less breakouts. And since I'm in my 30s, my early 30s, I like to use an eye serum or an eye cream. This one is by Osea. It's called Ocean Eyes. It is very pricey, but I do have a coupon code down below for you guys if you want to check it out. But for the runner-up, if you don't want to spend this kind of money, the Pacifica Under Eye Cream works great. It's on a budget, and they both work phenomenal, and they help out so much with dark circles. So I've been trying to take care of my under eyes, and whatever's left over on my finger, I will bring it up to my eyelids. I don't know if that helps, but I'm the kind of person that doesn't want any bit of the product to go to waste. So that's what I've been doing, and I have seen a huge difference with my dark circles. My thoughts have definitely changed with this lip balm. When I first purchased it last spring, in my head I was like, this is way too much money. There's no way a lip product can be this good. I was wrong. It's so worth the price tag. Every time I have dry lips, this is what I use. You can use it as a night mask, or you can just use it daily. It's lightweight, but it's very effective. This is the last step I do lately for my skincare routine, and it is the Spot Cream by Urban Hydration. I found this at Ulta, and I am obsessed with it. I truly see a difference with my stubborn acne scars. Now, obviously, my skin is not going to be perfect. Some acne scars you have to get professional help, and I'm not trying to do that these days, so I just think that this cream works great, and I think it's working. But consistency is key with these kind of products, and a little bit goes a long way, because if you use too much, it will be very sticky. I learned my lesson in the beginning of using this product, so I only add it on the stubborn acne scars, and I think it has been doing a wonderful job. I wish I had before and after pictures to show you guys, but all of this stuff has gone down tremendously. Now let's get into the extra things that I do, which is face mask. Since I live a very minimalist, frugal lifestyle, I only use 2 face masks. This Kale Charcoal Detox Mask, I've talked your ears off with this in my vlogs. It's perfect for active acne. And when you have uneven skin tone, or you have acne scars, or just dry skin, a nice fresh aloe vera gel works perfect. I grab a leaf from the grocery store, I soak it for 48 hours, and then I just use it on my skin, on my hair. Keep in mind though, consistency is key with using natural things like this. And that's it for my skincare routine. I do this at night only. I do not have a morning skincare routine. In the morning, I'll rinse my face off with some cold water and I'll apply my sunscreen, under eye serum, and that is it. The less I do with my skin, the better I found out over the years, and the less I break out. So the more I touch my skin and use all these random products out there, the more my skin will break out. So less is definitely more for my skin type. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.